What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake, as you can see behind me, but today's going to be a different challenge. I'm going to be fishing with baits only that I've found before. So either baits that I find today or that I found here at the lake beforehand. I'm going to go ahead and show you those baits right now, see if I can catch any fish, guys. I'm going to go down there and see if I can find a few plastic baits, and then I have a few hard baits tied on that hopefully can catch the fish. I'm going to go ahead and show you the baits that I have right now, so we'll see. All right, guys, so basically I have all these baits that I found at the lake before. I found this good topwater bait, a little popper. I also have a little rod, so hopefully I can catch some fish with this little popper. Crankbait, chatterbait, little swim bait, another topwater. So I also have a chatterbait tied on my rod right here. The only part where I'm going to be cheating today is I'm going to be putting a trailer on that chatterbait, but that is the only bait that I'm going to be using that I have not found at the lake. Other than that, it's just terminal tackle that's my own, and basically it. But I'm going to see if I can find some worms or anything that can help me catch some fish. I woke up late today, so hopefully we can catch some fish, guys, with any of these baits, with that bait specifically or any other bait, guys. Hopefully we can. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm going to be starting off right here in Lews. I have a good feeling about today. I don't know why. Probably because I woke up late. I feel energized, and I'm gonna be searching this area for used plastics. I've seen some here and there. It's mainly beer cans, fishing line, just like wrappers. So finding a bait intact is going to be a problem. I want to start off with the plastic bait. I want to start off right away with this chatterbait because I want to fish some cover, and can't really do that with the chatterbait. I have not found a jig at the lake or anything of that sort. I can't start off with anything like that. I'm just gonna look and see if I can find anything that I can use, but keep looking and I'll update y'all if I find something. I mean, so far it's just like trash. Well, everybody, I did not end up finding a single plastic bait, so I guess I'm gonna start off with this chatterbait. I searched this whole area right here from here to the dock, basically a little further. Not a single bait. Last time I saw a lizard, like a plastic lizard, and I don't think it was there anymore. That was my plan, to use that. I guess somebody took it, so I have no idea. I'm gonna start right here though, kind of shallow right here. Weather's pretty good, guys. It's like 73, 74. I have no idea. I honestly think if I would have came early in the morning, it would have been too cold to try and land some fish. Either way, I guess I've come at the perfect time. So like I said, everybody, this is the bait that I'm going to be cheating with. This is the only thing that I'm going to be using that is mine today, and it's basically going to go back in the chatterbait. The only rule is that I can't use it on just a Texas rig. It has to be on the back of this chatterbait, because that would not be fair if I just use this bait, because I would probably catch a fish, and that will not be the challenge for today. That is going to be my setup for today. Pretty big setup. I don't think any small fish will eat this, but I'll go ahead and try it out. This chatterbait works pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I just saw a fish jump. I'll fish this area, see if I can land one. Today might be a struggle, so if you're watching this, leave a like on this video, because this video is probably very hard to film, and I'm gonna grind for a few hours, so hopefully we can catch one. Oh, guys, I had a fish on. No way. First fish of the day. That was literally like my third cast in with this chatterbait. Oh my gosh. I got too excited. I never use chatterbaits. I know that, like, you have to wait a little bit for them to eat it, especially smaller fish. I think that was a smaller fish, so that was awesome. I saw him eat it right in front of me. So today might be pretty good. Who knows? That was pretty quick. I have been fishing for like 5 minutes. That was very quick. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully we can land one though. We'll try and figure it out. That's a fish, guys. First fish of the day. Get in here, buddy. Not a giant fish, guys, but hey, I'll take it. On the chatterbait, he inhaled that thing. Look at that. I've been fishing for probably about, I don't know, guys, probably 30 minutes or so. I think that's the first fish I ever catch on a chatterbait. Not a giant, guys, about 1.5 pounds. Oh my gosh, I honestly did not think I was gonna be able to complete this challenge today. It is completed. I'm still gonna fish with baits that I have found. Not a bad first fish of the day. Go ahead and let this fish go. Fought very hard. There he goes. Oh my gosh, that is freaking awesome. Keep fishing, see if we can catch another one. Well, everybody, I have hit the jackpot. I found a bait. It's like a little fluke, bluegill color. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't tell you how perfect this is. I literally found it lying like right here, and it's like very hard to see it because it's like white and it has like gray, and the rocks are kind of gray also. So I barely spotted it. It was like very camouflaged within the rocks and stuff. I got so lucky. I don't think it's been used actually. Maybe a little bit. There's like a little hook mark right there, but it's in pretty good condition. I'm not gonna fish with this right here in this area. I'm gonna fish with my chatterbait here in this area, and once I get to that spot over there, I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to this. So I'll keep this in my pocket for now. And just to show you, I do not have any baits. My backpack, I usually keep all my baits right here in this pocket, and there's nothing. I did not bring a single bait. I have this pocket also, in which I only have these rage tail swimmers, and I probably have some baits that I've used in other videos. So I have found one bait so far. Luckily, it's the perfect color. I usually don't use flukes, but I'll go ahead and give it a shot either way once I get to that area. But I'll fish with the chatterbait here in this area. I want to go ahead and shut up and just start fishing and see if I can land another one. Let's get to it. All right, everyone, so I'm basically fishing right here in this area, and I spot two fish, and one of the fish I cast perfectly, and he eats my fluke. So right here I set the hook, so I am pretty far from the water. So I start heading down as fast as I possibly can, and on the way down I almost trip. Right here in this area I am about to trip. As you can see right there, I almost trip, and then right there I notice that the fish comes off. So I quickly rush over, jump in the water. I somehow land the fish at the end, but I fall in the water, I get soaking wet, and somehow I managed to land the fish. Not a bad fish for the last fish of the day. About 1.5 pounds, close to 2 pounds. Pretty good. It was a struggle to catch that fish. I just jumped in the water like it was nothing. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 2 fish in total today. It was a struggle. I fished for about 2.5 to 3 hours. It was pretty rough. If you want to try this challenge for yourself, go ahead if you're pretty good at fishing. If you're a beginner, do not do it. It is very hard. Like the chatterbait that I found, I had never fished with the chatterbait before. It was my first time. Actually, I probably fished with it once, but that was the first fish I had ever caught on a chatterbait. Not a bad day though. Pretty interesting day. I fell in the water. Pretty crazy. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future content just like this, guys. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.